Healthy Snacks announcing today it is pulling its Fruit Bites line from stores after sales failed to keep up with competitors. It first launched 2 years ago as one of the only fruit snack brands made without synthetic dyes. However, the company says the snacks will still be available online. Joining us now in a CNBC exclusive for more is Daniel Lubetzky. He's the founder and executive chairman.
Haven't you just given me the Fruit Bites, the ones that you've pulled?
No, these aren't the Fruit Bites.
See, those are the packages.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So you're drawing attention to this issue. What's actually in
the Fruit Bites were just whole fruit, and kids were more used to the gummy berry-ish, glow-in-the-dark type product, and they weren't selling enough. So we're going to not only sell them online, but when we found out that 95% of fruit snacks lead with sugar and have artificial ingredients and artificial dyes, we started looking into it, and about 42% of products that kids eat contain synthetic dyes, including 95% of fruit snacks, but also in salmon, in pickles, in popcorn, in fruit cups. And the FDA allows a very small amount of the synthetic dyes to go into products, but what we haven't really studied enough is the implication of them being so prevalent in our food system, and we're trying to raise awareness about this issue.
I thought the big consumer companies have sort of found religion on this issue. I mean, all you've heard from them in the last 5 years has been, we're removing artificial flavors and we're going into real ingredients and dyes and that sort of thing. So are you saying that it's disingenuous?
Still extraordinarily prevalent. Like half of products that kids eat, close to half, have synthetic dyes. And it's hard because kids have been trained to expect these shiny things, and that's why we wanted to raise awareness to parents, to kids, to understand that food as found in nature may not be as glimmering and as glistening, but maybe that's good, and you should be happy with eating real ingredients the way nature gives them to you.
Part of your mission is to deliver healthiness for the consumer. It's also to try and help the environment. Where do you stand on the Beyond Meats and Impossible Burgers as to where their balance is between those two? Some have suggested they're great for the environment, not so good for the consumer.
I like the companies and the products, and I think that they play a role. The valuations are a little cuckoo, but I think that the products have a place. For us, when we design products, we want stuff to look like what it is and to be what it is. So a whole nut bar would be a whole nut bar, and if we made a veggie burger, it would be made celebrating the veggies, not trying to get them to pose as something that they're not. But there is an opportunity for people that want to substitute meat with something that really acts like meat, and I think that there's a role for them to play.
We haven't talked to you in a while, so tell us quickly how business is doing. I know it's been kind of a weak spot, the cereal bar category, and some of the big companies like a Kellogg, and whether that's affecting you at all and how you see your outlook.
We're very happy and fortunate. We're growing double digits, and in our category, we're one of the few companies that are continuing to grow. It's harder than when we started, when you were growing triple digits, but it's still healthy growth.
The valuations of Beyond Meat, as you said, they're pretty stretched. Does it make you get tempted by the idea of an IPO? You can command that valuation.
Precisely not, because what I don't want is to come out, get a crazy valuation, have a grandmother buy it at that price, and then it implode, and I got rich, but then these people ended up with nothing. And I'm kind of scared about what was it that Greenspan used to say, the irrational exuberance of the markets. I'd rather play the long-term game, stay private, and for us, I think that works better.